What is good, guys? I just actually woke up from a nap. I went to work today, got off at about 1 o'clock, ate some food and knocked out. Now it's like about 8:30ish p.m. and I had a DM from a dude I know in the car scene talking about a car meet, so I figured why not. So it's about, like I said, 8:30. This meet is actually kind of far away. It's like 40 minutes away, but I have nothing else to do, so I don't mind going for a little cruise and trying to get some footage. So yeah, better just ride out to this meet. I have the DJI Action 4 on like a visor, on like a hat clip type situation. I have my DJI Osmo as well. So yeah, I'm about to just ride out there, record some of the driving, and then see if there's any cool cars there, and then shoot home and just make for like a little chill POV night cruise video. And yeah, I'll see you guys. It's actually the first drive after that track session last Sunday, and man, I wish I could go to the track every single weekend, because that was such a good time. I watch all the videos back and clips, and it just makes me wish I could do that all the time. So I mean, that's the goal here, really. I work a good amount. I work 7 days a week. I've been at it for like 5 years straight, pretty much. So hopefully I can create enough money and eventually passive income to be able to race all the time. But for now, we're just gonna have fun with it, man. Just do what we can, enjoy when we can, and that's really been my priority this year. Essentially, I turned 29 in June, so ever since then I've been telling myself anything that I do outside of work in my spare time, it has to be something that I really love and enjoy. So that's been cars, man. I've always did cars before I moved to Florida, and then kind of got caught up with getting into business and learning how to make money to be able to buy some of the stuff I always wanted, and kind of forgot about cars a bit. And now we're back in action, so I'm trying to use this thing a lot more because it's a good car. So I don't mind driving it, using it while it's my turn to own it, essentially. Other than that, I have like a Porsche Macan for a daily, which is obviously nothing crazy, but does a really good job of getting to work and back. And then I recently bought a Nissan Silvia S15 in Japan. So I'm just waiting on that to show up. Hopefully it ships out toward the end of this month or early August, and then I'll have that car right around, I'd say like first week of September is when I'm expecting to see it. So I'll try to make a couple videos with that car. I want to do the whole typical thing where I pick it up from the port and look at all the cars at the port, drive it home, and trailer it home, and then drive it around here in Palm Beach, just to feel what it's like to have a JDM car again. I see a 350Z, so that's usually signs that we're close to a car meet. I haven't been to one of these in like 5 years, man, so this will be cool. I see a couple of cars randomly, so I'll catch up to you guys once we're there. What is good, guys? So I just left that meet. It was a pretty standard meet. Haven't been in a while. It was actually sanctioned, so that was pretty cool. Over here just getting some gas real quick. Yeah, it was like a sanctioned meet, so we were actually able to stay there the whole time. So it was cool. Met some Instagram friends, chill with them, talk with them. So always nice catching up with a couple people. Now just fueling up. I'll probably stop, grab some food on the way home, and then chill the rest of the day. So I'll see you guys in the car.